Hello everyone. Well, I was pruning my tomatoes this morning, and guess what I found? Now, before I show you, if you have not yet watched the video that I uploaded right before this one, you might want to go ahead and watch that real quick first, because this is basically a sequel. This is a sequel to that previous video. And what I'm going to tell you is that Mama Hawk Moth had already been busy, by the looks of this guy, several weeks ago. Maybe she's just spent the last month laying eggs. I don't know. But there's a really little guy under everybody. There, him. See that? He's the first guy I found. I've never found a tomato hornworm that small. It's because I have kept the tomatoes pruned, so it was easier to spot him. And then, of course, I was out there pruning. But yeah, it was funny because they seemed to get, each one was bigger. This was the second one I found, and this guy was the third, and this guy was the fourth. I'm not saying I have found all the hornworms that are to be found, but, yep, there you go. I found hornworms because I was actually out working in the garden. And if I had time to get out here and work on the tomatoes more often, I would have found them sooner. But anyway, yeah. I'm going to take these guys to our compost pile in the woods where the raccoons and other such critters like to scrounge around, and let them find a nice, tasty, protein-rich treat tonight. Alright, thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed this crazy video, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe for more great, disgusting gardening tips. No, they're usually not disgusting. They're usually nice, you know. Like this. Happy gardening. Without hornworms, I hope.